Ixabiso lepetrol lizakwehla nge-10 cents ilitha, ngelixa eleDiesel nele paraffin lizakwenyuka nge-20 cents ilitha. Ingcali yezoqoqosho yase-ABSA uMiyelani Maluleke uthi nangona lisehla ixabiso lepetrol, asephezulu kakhulu amaxabiso amafutha kweli.
In general, I think the adjustments that we're seeing right now, not surprising. In South Africa, we've certainly benefited a lot from the strengthening in the rand, which, as we've seen, did come down, right now at about sort of 13.75 to the US dollar. To some degree, I think the decline in the petrol price is some relief to consumers out there, but I think we need to remember that even with this cut, the petrol price is still over 17 rand a litre, and we started this year with the petrol price at about 14.50 per litre. So it's still quite a bit higher, and it certainly still does imply that South African households will be paying a lot more for fuel this year compared to most of last year.
Okukwehla kwexabiso lepetrol kulandela ukunyuka kombane ngo-15.63% ngo-April kunye nokuntinga kwamaxabiso okutya.